The next example on formal letter is going to be an apology. A letter of apology or an apology letter. A bag containing valuable company documents that you were carrying has been stolen. Write a letter to the manager mentioning how the bag was stolen, what the bag contained, how important were the documents for your company, and what you have done about it so far. So these are the information that you need to cover. Let's begin with a greeting, a salutation, not greeting, because this is a formal letter. And then you are going to introduce yourself as always. Dear sir, my name is Arun and I work in the accounts section of our company as senior accounts manager. And then you're going to mention the purpose, the reason. I am writing this letter to inform you that my bag, which contained some important company documents, has been stolen. I would also like to apologize for my carelessness. So, as you mentioned the issue, you also seek apology. You also apologize. As I was going home on Friday in my car, so you're going to explain the situation in detail. At the petrol pump to get some petrol and to get the air checked in the tires of my car. I was out of my car for about 5 minutes over there. After that, I stopped at the chemist shop for about 5 minutes, as I had to buy some medicines for my mother. In my hurry, I did not lock my car there. On reaching home, I discovered that my briefcase was not there on the back seat. I remembered very well that I had put it there. So you have explained the entire scenario. Next, you're going to mention the things that were in the bag. Describe. The bag contained all the account reports of this month, which I know are very confidential. The company's laptop was also in the bag, as I intended to sit and do some work on the weekend. I realized that the documents are very important for the company. Okay, so you're going to describe and you're going to share your apologies. And finally, what are the steps you had taken to recover your bag? I have reported an FIR in the police station. Both places, the chemist shop and the petrol pump, have surveillance cameras fitted. I only hope the footage reveals some positive results. Once again, I apologize for all this inconvenience. And you close the letter with your subscription. So, writing an apology letter, you begin with salutation and introduce yourself, and then you mention the purpose. What's the issue? What was the issue? And then you're going to ask your apology, why you feel sorry about it. Now, explain the entire incident in detail. Describe if description is necessary. And then what are the preventive measures that you have taken? What are the steps you have taken so that it doesn't happen next time? Or what are the steps that you have taken to recover whatever wrong, to recover whatever you've lost or whatever wrong that had happened? And finally, the subscription where you close the letter. So this is how we are going to write an apology letter to any management or to your superior when you have lost something very important in the office.